So how do you add references in Visual Studio? So the first thing you'll need to do is right click on your project here and then go to the add menu and then go to reference and click on it. Now all you need to do is select the library or project or package that you want from the project solution or the shared project solution and then click on OK to add it. Now for C# projects, you can add by doing the same steps, but add project references. So you can add other projects as references to the current project, or you can add assemblies such as .NET DLLs or COM libraries. And if you're on C#, it should also give you an option here to browse directly to the reference that you want to add. And for C++, you will need to right click on the project and then go to properties, which will open up this window. And then you can go to the linker here and then go to input. And in here, you should be able to add the dependencies or additional dependencies by clicking on drop down edit and then add any additional dependencies such as .lib files for libraries. Or you can go to VC++ directories to add include library paths or C++ general and then additional include directories and add your additional directory path right here. Then click on apply and OK. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.